Okay, here we go. So I got a good video just loaded up, ready to get going. So I got a bachelor party this weekend, so we're heading down the road, and we're going to Little Salmon River. Here she is. Got the old truck cargo box on, cooler, some drinks, jerry can, air mattress, tents in here, the old lawn chair, some for the road goodies. So yeah, we're gonna get out of here.
Yeah, is that you?
Yeah.
Let's go, don't we?
Nice. Where are we going? This way? What? I'm in the front. I just don't want the dust. You going first? Hey, Kenz, are you good if I put my tent back there?
Yeah.
2 hours moving, 58 kilometers average speed, 91 kilometers. And we got to the spot. We're 63.
No permit required.
Yeah, I got one. Ooh. Where did I hit this? No. Holy fuck. 72 my ass. That is not 72 inches. Whee! Wow. Oh my fuck, this is beautiful. Wow. Okay, we avoid all water here. How's it going? Good. Dude, this is fucking nice. Can I pet the dog? Hi. No. That's fair. Hi. Hi. You're so sweet. Hi. Have a good one. I'm a sucker for a good dog. Everyone smile for the camera. Ryan, stop smiling. No, I'm just kidding. What?
Hey, are you gonna bleep things out?
Yeah.
Hey, go ahead, Connor.
What?
They got whiskey, women, music and smoke. Round the cowboy
Oh yeah, that's the fucking shot. For the gram.
Yeah, yeah.
Turn around, go to town. I'm a international harvester. I know you got your own
There's a big Chevy coming, just so you know. Have a good one.
And if you're going gone, my heart ain't ready. On the road stone, I don't feel like rocking. And the feeling makes her fall. And although she'll stay on down, but down, friends will just.
Oh, feels so good. So cold. Oh shit, close this, close this. Y'all good there, brother? Any words for the video?
Keep up.
Ow! Ow! Oh. Jeez. Are you good? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm fine. Fucking hey.
I good?
Yeah, you gotta float over here. Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Welcome to Nick Rides.
Wait, it's Nick's
Are you
ride.
here in the back? What is it? Nick's Ride?
Nick's ride. Should it be Nick's ride or Nick rides?
Nick's Ride.
Are we having a wonderful bachelor party?
Yeah, we're doing good. Vibes are up, temps up. Gonna be cold tonight.
Very up.
Might be a little not, ideal takedown in the morning heading home, but it was a good weekend all in all. Had a couple good memories.
We're all assuming it's gonna be piss and rain tomorrow. Has anybody looked at the weather in the last 2 days?
Cam, how you doing in there?
We're about T-minus 20 seconds.
Okay.
T-minus.
Why does it always rain when we have to leave? Ryan, how goes the cleanup? Ryan? How's the cleanup going?
It's going.
Okay, cool. Cool. Let's get out of here. You lost your bumper, eh? What? Your bumper fell off. Kenzie's like, where's the rest of it? I was like, I don't know. Just a little breakdown, but we're good to go, huh, buddy?
Not bad.
What?
Not bad. Oh, look up. They wired my wipers.
Those little things, they take the biggest part of me. Break. Sometimes it's just hard.
Hey, we're back now, and man, she's dirty. We got an old tree in here. Fucking sand everywhere. I'm sure the air filter looks lovely. We can get that cleaned up.